Sexual self-concept refers to the totality of oneself as a sexual being, including positive and negative concept and feeling. According to the theorists, sexual self-concept is described a well-known three dimensions: the sexual self-esteem, sexual depression, and sexual preoccupation. Because attachment style moderate one's sense of self in general and one's expectation about the strategies for approaching relationship, sexual self-concept may be a good indicator of what kind of relationship we tend to get into and how we tend to behave within relationship, with an emphasis on self or sexual satisfaction. Overall, the researcher found that the single person have lower sexual self-esteem than couple. Sexual self-concept and attachment-based perspective are also like to be useful for those who find non-traditional relationship pattern to be most suitable. Additional research is required to explore sexual self-concept in relation to other important areas of self-relatedness and relationship with others. Preventive estimate that in 2007 there were approximately diseases like AIDS. AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency. Then we have chlamydia, the most prevalent bacterial of the traumatic bacterium. Then we have the genital herpes. There are two types of herpes simple viruses: the highly contagious virus that cause genital herpes, because the virus permanently inhabits sensory nerve at the base of the spinal cord. Genital herpes is a chronic lifelong condition. Gonorrhea. This is the infection sometimes confused with gonorrhea, another bacterial usually begin in the urethra or the cervix. However, the rapidly proliferating gonorrhea bacterium can migrate to the uterus and to the fallopian tube, give rise to pelvic inflammatory diseases. HIV. The immune system is functioning properly. However, the defense role to the AIDS, they seize the opportunity to create havoc. HPV. HPV are the herpes simplex viruses, that highly contagious virus that cause into diseases. Syphilis. Until the early 1940s, when the antibiotic entered into widers, the epidemic of syphilis had been reported per century. Physicians divide the course of disease into three stages: the primary, secondary, and tertiary stages.